Hey guys, this is my big bad Chevrolet Silverado Trailboss. I wanted to demonstrate remote start on this puppy. Cold start because it's about as cold as Santa's side of the bed on Christmas Eve. So let's give this a cold start and see how she works. This is the proper way to do remote start. So take notes, y'all. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna push the lock button. Then I'm gonna push this twirly button right here. That's a V8, you guys. Woo! I'm gonna miss that one of these days. So let's get in this bad boy. It starts. The great thing about this remote start is this thing automatically senses the temperature and it warms up the seats and the steering wheel and the cab before I even get in it. I'm not worried about that. Let's see what happens when I unlock this bad boy. All right, here we go. Here it is, unlock. Here, let's see the lights. See the lights. Unlock. Unlock. Boop. All right. It's unlocked. Still running. Let's get in there. I'm going to open the door. Here we go. You're with me? Let's do this. Awesome. Still running. Let's get inside there. Come on. All right, we're inside the truck. Here we go. I'm going to push on the brake and then I'm gonna push the start button. Still running, everything's still running. Look, Chevrolet, boom. All right, pushing on brake, pushing the start button.